Hello guys, welcome back again. It's your boy John Mary. Welcome back. Happy New Year to you all, and I welcome you all to 2024. And welcome to my YouTube channel. And thank you for stopping by to watch this video. So, guys, this is 2024, and the market is now opened for everyone. Despite the holidays and holidays are all gone. The choppy market, the stoppy movement of the market is all gone. So we are back again to business on the financial market and our analysis towards it. So guys, what I have today, guys, I have a list of about six pairs we shall be analyzing with you guys today. So do well to stick around to the end of this video. It's gonna be educative. I'll be revealing some trading tips to you guys. So guys, first and foremost, we start with USD card analysis. Analysis on USD card. Let's go ahead and delete this. Okay, guys. On USD card on the weekly time frame, you can see we had a impulsive move, rejection, multiple rejections, giving us a double top, triple top rather, triple top rejection around this region. And then you can see this I drew a counter trend line connecting the lows, and you can see market has just broken below it and are coming back to retest this trend line. So hopefully we're looking for selling pressure on USD card due to the break of this counter trend line and price coming back to retest it. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see things more clear. Okay, if you go to the daily time frame, you can see things more clear, and you can see just at the point where this trend line met, you can see price last week rejected multiple daily candle rejection around here, telling us that this is a region of momentum, selling pressure. Okay, so for USD card, we are only looking for shorts. We're only looking for shorts when the market opens. And let's go to the 4 hour time frame and let's see. Okay, okay, guys. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see this clearly. You can see price came, broke multiple four hour candles, break below it, and then it's coming back here to reject. Now looking at this trend line, on top of this trend line, price has formed what? So it's clearly giving us a clear double top right on top of this trend line. This is an impulsive move and a rejection on top of this trend line. So if we want to be certain about this move, I will just do kind of like, okay, now you can clearly see this is a Fibonacci retracement. You can see, if I drew my Fibonacci, and you can see price has just clearly retested on the 50% retracement level. It came around this level on the 0.38 level, and then you can see multiple rejection, then give us a huge spike up to test this 0.50% 0.50% retracement level. So what is this trying to tell us? This is trying to tell us that there are more selling pressure, more selling momentum around this region. Yeah, there are more selling pressure and momentum around this region. So just go ahead and delete this. So when market opens, we should be looking for shorts. For shorts. As long as price is still acting on this trend line, we are looking for short on USD card. US dollar against Canadian dollar. Oh god. You can see it clearly on the 1 hour time frame. What? Impulsive move rejection. Came impulsive move and retraced. Came back down, came up, and you can see what the market has formed. And you can see this is another formation being formed here for bearish pressure. You see how the market closed last week. So on USD card, our bias is bearish. Our bias is bearish on USD card. Once market opens, we should be looking for opportunities to enter the market. We should be shorting USD card. Should be shorting USD card. First TP should be here. Second TP right about below this region. So yeah, that is that for USD card. Our bias is bearish on USD card. So if you want to be trading USD card, you should be looking for selling pressures around this region, and you should be shorting. Stop loss just quite above here. Then a very good risk to reward trade. This is 1 is to 3.8 risk to reward. So it's a better trade for you to enter. So done with USD card. The next on our list here is AED USD. So move over to your AED USD. Okay. So guys, looking at AED USD, as I previously said on my previous video, we are looking to buy AED USD because why? In my previous video, we talked about AED USD rejecting a room at this region down to this level, but it did not happen. I explained the fact what happened. Why did AED USD just rejected massively up? It was due to the monthly level. Yes, this was due to the monthly or the weekly level. That's why it retraced massively. But right here, you can see AED USD broke above this counter trend line and came back to retest. Sorry, you can see AED USD coming back to retest this level. This is a strong level, and I'll just go ahead and delete this so you can see it clearly. Go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, you can see AED came broke above this level, retested it, came up here, and then came back down to give us a second leg. This is a clear formation being formed right above this level. This is a clear double bottom. Yeah, this is a clear double bottom. So for AED we're bullish at the moment. Yeah, we're bullish on AED. Why are we bullish? You can see due to the fact that AGS broke above this trend line, came back to retest it for the second time, giving us a second leg. This is the left leg, this is the right leg, double bottom formation, and then it's rejected. So that is why we are 80 to 90% certain AED is gonna rally up to the upside. Now this is another formation being formed on the 1 hour time frame. This is looking like an head and shoulder pattern. And head and shoulder pattern. This is looking like an head and shoulder pattern here in the 1 hour time frame. So we should be looking to buy AED right about this region because you can see this huge spike. I monitored the market last week due to the first NFP of the year, and I saw a massive rejection on AED right about this region where I marked out. You can see price came proof down here, retest it, and then massive, it rejected it. So this is still telling us that what the buyers are still in control of this market, and they're going to be rolling it up to the level, up to let's say, let's go to the let's say up to this level. Yeah, up to this level. Yeah. So this we should take note of this level. Once we clear above this level, then we should be able to come and attain this height right about this region. If we can clear this level, we should be coming up here. So AED bias bullish in AED. So if you want to be trading AED, you should be buying stop loss just right below here, and then target. This is a very good wish to watch it, so you shouldn't miss out on it. So AED is still bullish at the moment. So with our top down analysis, we can see AED is bullish right above here, coming to test. Let's say this is one of my favorite tools. You know, oh, I like this tool. I like it. So yeah, probably looking to come and attain this height here or around here. So yeah, that's that for AED USD. We are bullish at the moment. So think straight, plan your trade and trade your plan. AED USD, we're done with AED USD bullish. So our next list on our next list we have NZD USD. NZD USD. Okay, NZD USD currently, let's go to a weekly time frame and let's see things clear. Okay, on the NZD USD, you can see price gave us a falling wedge right about this region. Came, retest, respected, retest, respected, and came, broke above it. You should be looking for a bullish momentum to the upside. Why? Why should we be looking for bullish momentum to the upside? Because right here, price gave us a correction right about this region with a double, I say kind of like an head and shoulder pattern here. This is kind of looking like an head and shoulder pattern on the weekly time frame. Just widen it up so you can see things clear. Okay, you can see. Like looking like an head, first leg, head, second shoulder. So and you can see the momentum broke above it, came give us a weak rejection, and then it closed above this level here. So if we go to the daily time frame, so yeah, if we go to the daily time frame, what can we clearly see? We can clearly see AED has clearly broken above this, and what gave us a rejection, a stop hunt. This is clear stop hunt. Yeah, this is a clear stop hunt, and then it has closed right, like it closed almost breaking the trend line zone. So on NZD USD, we are still looking for bullish momentum to the upside as long as we are still trading above this trend line, as long as price is gonna trade and continue trading above this trend line. Should be um should be like this. As long as we are still trading above this trend line, then our bias is still bullish on NZD USD. So go to the 4 hour time frame. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see clearly price give us a stop hunt. All this were due to the market, the NFP news released on Friday. So you can see market gave a stop hunt, took out the lows, this low, and then we chased back upward. Now we are not clearly seeing a clear direction, but this is a clear direction, bullish, but we want to see more clear direction, more clear picture. So yeah, to be more clear and to be more precise on NZD this is this is looking like okay. This is kind of like a counter trend line. Yes, this is a counter trend line drawn. Market expected it this time, and then you can see market closed um right on top of this counter trend line. So this is also a double bottom formation. This is a stop hunt around here, a stop hunt due to the market the release news on Friday, NFP. Okay, this is a stop hunt, and then you can see market acting above this counter trend line. So if we see price momentum, a bullish momentum to the upside, then we should be adding positions on NZD to go long for our time frame. Then we should be looking to ride NZD to the top side. First TP will be around here at 0.64 0.64136. If we can break above this level, then we should be looking to take out this high here, which is at 0.65375. Yeah, 0.675. This is kind of like over 285 pips or something. So NZUSD is still bullish as long as we still sustain above that counter trend line and the major trend line, then you should be looking to ride it up to the upside. Stop loss just below the stop loss, and just ride it up to the upside. So that's that for NZUSD. That's that for NZUSD. Next, I said NZUSD, our bias is still bullish. We are bullish on NZUSD. On next pair on our list here, we have Euro USD, Euro USD. Okay, guys, on Euro USD, okay, guys, on Euro USD, you can see price give us an impulsive move. Sorry, give us an impulsive move to the upside. Came rejected, respected this contact, this trend line, this major trend line came up here, and then this is a very strong level. Price came and it was manipulating this level, and so many stop losses were hit far above this level because the market was kind of like acting like it wanted to go up, and then you just eventually see bearish candlesticks flowing. So on Euro USD, we're still watching. We're not clearly seeing what is going to be the next outcome on Euro USD. We can't really tell what is going to be the next outcome on Euro USD, but on Euro USD, if we go to the 4 hour time frame, and you can see things clear here. Okay, on Euro USD, you can see on the 4 hour time frame, you can see this trend line being expected. First attempt, second attempt, and this is kind of like the third one, which is not clearly shown, but kind of like looking like a third attempt right about this level. So you can see multiple rejections around this level came, gave us a stop hunt, took out this high, and came and traded below this bar. So price trading below this bar, this is giving us a perspective to the bearish side. That is, we should be looking out for shorts around about this level. Once price clearly breaks below this trend line, this major trend line, then we should be looking to short Euro USD. Why are we shorting Euro USD? When price came, gave us a stop hunt, traded below this bar, multiple rejections. And now this is a major trend line. Once we see price breaks below this major trend line, come to retest it, then we should be short on it. Then we should be short on Euro USD. First TP at 1.06704. Stop loss just right above this level. So yeah, that's that for Euro USD. Once we see price breaks below this major trend line, come to retest it, then we should be short on it on Euro USD. And it should be around over 200 pips, over 200 pips to be back. So Euro USD, once we see a clear break of this trend line, then you should be looking to sell. Should be looking to sell to shut it down. It's now all these moves were rather were carried out or were made during the holiday seasons. You can see there was no much volume or momentum around those holiday period where the big banks were off the market, and not too much volatility in the market. So that is why price has been rejecting upon this level. So best believe once we can clear this bar, clear this counter, this major trend line, then we should be looking to short Euro USD about here first TP at this level. So that's that for Euro USD. The bias is still bearish as long as we can sustain below the trend line and the bar. We should be bearish on Euro USD. And our next pair on our list here is UXD against the Mexican peso. I know this pair is is kind of like a pair where people it is not kind of like it is not traded by all. Yes, not everyone enjoy trading USD against the Mexican peso, but we just do a breakdown of it and to see the next price outcome on USD um, MXN. So on USD MXN, I have a bullish perspective on it. Why am I saying so? Because look, price came. This is a very massive bearish move. This is over. We can calculate these pips and we can just let's calculate. This is over. This is over 297 pips and still yet to complete around oh sorry, this is over 1474 pips. 1474 pips. So for USD against the Mexican peso, we are looking for a long position right about this region. Now what are we clearly looking out for? Sorry. We are looking for price to come to this level, give us rejections. When I mean rejections, I mean giving us pure price action around those levels. What are the pure price action we should be looking out for? We should be looking out for a double bottom rejection. Yeah, double bottom rejection. Just like what he did right about this region. Looking for a double bottom rejection. So neat. So you can see market is still bearish. I told you guys market came. We tested this level and you can see it has been falling massively. So so we are looking to go long once we see price giving us multiple rejections around this level because this is a very key level on USD against the Mexican peso. This is a very strong level and we should be looking for multiple rejections around this level for us to go along. If you go to the 4 hour time frame to see things clear, this might take some few days for it to materialize. Like let's give it like um let's say 4 to 7 days, 4 to 7 trading days, then we can see it's gonna materialize and clearly tell us where it wants to go. But best believe once we can see sustain this bar without breaking below it, then we should be going long. This is a counter trend line which I drew, which is gonna also help us to enter the trade. Once we can see price break above this counter trend line, then we'll be long on USD Mexican peso. So this is a top-down analysis which I've made on different pairs to tell you to show you how to approach the market and how you can navigate through the market to see things clear on the higher time frame and then project hundreds of pips to the future or thousands of pips to the future. So if USD um, against the Mexican peso should go in our direction as projected for a bullish run after we see price coming down below here to give us multiple rejections, then this should be around this should be over 748 pips. It should be around 700 over 748 pips, over 700 pips to bag on USDMX MXN. But best believe I'm still having the confidence that this market is going to go bullish. But if, because no one can control the market, if the market refuses or actually breaks below this bar, then no doubt we should be looking to short it down. But I am 90% certain, I am 90% certain that US dollar against the Mexican peso is going to rally up to the upside. I am 90% certain, and 40% certain on the bearish side, while on the bullish, I'm 90% certain on the bullish side on USD against the Mexican peso. To rally to the upside, 40% certain, and to rally to the downside, sorry, to rally to the upside, 90% certain and 40% certain to the downside. But we'll be watching out for price action around this level. This is going to tell us where the next move is going to be. So stay put and keep your eyes on USD against the Mexican peso. So on USD Mexican peso, we are done with the analysis and we projected a long run on USD against the Mexican peso. So we should be looking for a bullish side. Um, Wait for price to materialize in 4 to 7 trading days to come. Then we can see what price is actually telling us. If it's going to go up or it's going to go down. It's going to continue the bearish side. So last and foremost, last list, the last pair on our list this week is GBP USD. GBP USD. Great British pounds against the US dollar. So guys, pardon my voice. I'm kind of like having a little bit of cough. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I've done my own top down analysis. So that's why you can see some of all these tools on my chart. This is to tell me where the next move is gonna be or where I should be entering an entry model and everything. So let me take you guys to the weekly time frame on GBP USD. Let's analyze on the weekly time frame. Okay. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that price came or expected this major trend line, came down below it and then rallied up to the upside. This is a kind of like a major level on the weekly time frame also, but you can see price broke above it, multiple rejections around it, and then finally still giving us rejections. Couple of weeks and days, still giving us rejections around those level. So as long as we are still trading below this major trend line, GBP USD is still bearish. I repeat, as long as we are still trading below this major trend line, if GBP USD is still trading below this trend line, then we are still bearish. Okay, what do I say? So you can see what about this bar? Price has been giving us what? Came, we tested it, came, we test this one, came, multiple rejections. Due to the holiday, we're not knowing where this bad boy is about to move. The next move is gonna play out to be. But um but all we know is that we're clearly watching and getting our eyes close to what GBP is about to give to us next. So, but for me, as long as price is still trading below this major trend line, then we should be looking for a bearish move to the downside. Yeah, we should be looking for a bearish move to the downside. So let's go ahead and delete this also. Okay, guys. So look over to the 4 hour time frame and see what we can clearly see. We'll make this right straight forward. Okay, looking at GBP USD, you can see this has given a lot of headache. This has been a lot of headache in the market. Go up, go down, go up, go down, go down. No clear direction at the moment. No clear move at the moment. Due to the fact that we were on holidays and there was no much volume and volatility in the market. That is why it has been acting like this for the past couple of days now. But when the market opens, um, we should be looking out for a sell on GBP USD. Price may decide to come up above here again for the fourth time to give something like this, something like this. Yeah, sorry, just right here. Okay, price may decide to come up here again and give us something like this, come to test this major trend line again. But as long as you're still trading, this is actually forming a wall. This is a falling wedge. Yeah, this is a falling wedge being formed. As long as we're still trading below this major trend line, as I said, we're still bearish on GBP USD. Price may come and give us a rejection right above this this falling wedge on trend line, and then come to break it and retest it. But for now, keep your hands clean, stay off of GBP USD at the moment, unless we can see price come down to take out this low here. Then if it comes down to take out this low, came to break and retest it, then we should be looking to sell. We should be looking for sales above here, below, down to this level. So price is still kind of like is making up something, a big price. The market is making up a big move, so we should be patient enough to watch to see the next move which it's about to take. So we should be patient enough to watch and to see what the market has for us. We shouldn't just conclude on what we know, what we see. We should wait to clearly see what the market has for us. Be patient. So once we see price break below here, then we should be going short on it. Yeah, we should be going short on it. So on GBP our bias is still bearish. As long as we can break below this falling wedge, come to retest it, then we should be looking to short it down to this level. First TP should be around here at 1.21395. So that's that for GBP USD. So So guys, that's the end of our top down analysis on the different pairs which we projected for this week and upcoming weeks to come. So guys, I will apologize for my previous video where I posted but it didn't end well. We were having some kind of issues with it, but sorry. I hope this video is an educative one, and do well to like and subscribe. Keep the energy high for your boy. Do well to like and subscribe so that the video will be recommended to other persons. So these are my approach for the market. You too can do your own analysis. This is ideas on how you can approach the market and navigate to the market and see how you can be profitable out of it. So thank you for staying by to the very end of this video. If you like this content, do it to like. Please do it to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave the energy high for your boy. So thank you. Happy New Year once again. Pray this year be a successful trading year for us. Thank you for staying very end to the of this video. Thank you. So don't forget, trade your plan, plan your trade, then trade your plan. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Be patient. Don't be too skeptic about entering into a trade when you're not seeing a valid setup. Wait, there's so many opportunities in this market. If you rush to a pair which is not giving you a clear direction, you might end up losing your money and then you're being frustrated. But if you're being patient enough and watch to see the good setup which you have to take, the A setup, then you should be profitable. You shouldn't trade all setup. You should look for the best amongst your your analysis and then trade the one with high probability. Yeah. So that is how you to become a successful trader. I'm also telling this to myself. So kind of like educating other traders and also educating myself too. So thank you. My name is John Mary. Thank you. Don't know what to say else. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye for now.